All right, look at this work of art right here. This amazing Optimus oscillating fan. So straight up, dude, the design itself is just amazing. It sets a really nice vibe. There's the handle right here. You got this vibe back here. Let's just turn it on. Here's one mode. There's two mode. There's three mode. Now, as you can see, the oscillation is set, so it's oscillating right now. And straight up, dude, it is windy. It's a really nice vibe. It's definitely cools you down really quickly. And if you want to stop the oscillation, you just pull this up and it stops it. So, dude, this thing's amazing. And stop thinking about it. Stop wondering. This is the fan you want. I highly recommend it.